Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me, we have a 1989 Ford Mustang 5.0. Be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content. This beautiful 89 FoxBody is fully documented. It's a one-owner car, full documentation, and that includes oil changes and fuel fill-ups. So he wrote down in a little book every single time he had fuel and how the mileage was. It's been repainted one time, and then in 2005, they threw about $7,000 in very tasteful modifications. It's sporting a set of Borbette wheels, which are lighter than the factory pony wheels, and it looks great. Has a set of Michelin Pilot Sports on it, so it grabs really nice. And then you can see that the front end is extremely clean. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna purchase a replacement set from eBay. So whoever gets it's gonna have a brand new set that comes with the car. See, there's a little bit of hazing. It rained today, and you can see that there's a storm coming. Look at that. It's been raining every day in Florida for the past week. Front end's really nice, minor imperfections. Clean Carfax, one owner, as I said before. When you come down this side, you're gonna see that the body lines are extremely clean, and you can see that it's never been in a collision. There's the Borbette wheels. And then you have a set of slotted rotors with green EBC pads. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the hood. All right, here we go. So here's your power plant. It's a 302 with a mass air. So that's better for drivability. Brand new radiator. It has the police style hoses. So that's what you would have in the SLP versions. So that's the ones that would be on the State Trooper variant. Cold air intake. It has headers and full exhaust, and it sounds unreal. You also have a host of hoses that have been replaced, and it looks like it still has the factory fuel injectors. So that's great, easy for drivability. This is the original as well, and then they also have a lock from back in the day. So this is actually a lock setup, and then you have a key that's inside the car. Pretty clean. Let's go down the driver's side. I don't see any dents or dings on this portion of the vehicle. Looks really good. Tires have about 90% tread in the front and 85 in the rear. You've got your little luggage rack right here. Power top is brand new, and it works as it should. It's actually very quick. Your taillights are in excellent condition, and there's your LX badge. By the way, I actually have the original window sticker and purchase agreement on this vehicle. So there's 2 inches of documentation coming with this car. You're not just buying another FoxBody on Craigslist. This is a completely documented, one owner, real deal, tastefully modified convertible. And wait till we go for a ride. Bumper heads look good. You got your Mustang right there. And then you've got your aftermarket exhaust, which looks great. Looking down the passenger side, it looks good. I see a little dimple right here. Oh, that's just some bird. A bird got there. Looks really clean. Paint looks good. You have to push a button for it to open. Hold on. Nice and clean. Interior. Let's go ahead and look at that real quick before we start it up. Interior is all original. It's never been touched. Extremely clean, still has a stock shifter and stock radio. AC works as it should. And then this is like the dreaded piece that breaks on every FoxBody. It still has spring. And then the cigarette lighter is original, and it's never been smoked in. Let's go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna jump inside here, push the clutch in, fire it off. So we've got 71,000 original miles on it, and the top. Might as well put it down for the trip, right? You're gonna release right here, and right here, and then throw it back. Look how fast it is. And then let's put the rear windows down. Hold on. That's much better. Listen to that exhaust. Let me close this door. Oh, I can't wait to go for a ride. Here's the lock I was talking about. So back in the day, this would be like a theft deterrent. These cars are extremely easy to steal, and you would have a lock that you twist and it wouldn't let the hood get opened up so they couldn't jump it. But radio works as it should.
Auto pay plus tax.
AC works as well. And it's actually cold, which is nice, especially in Florida. Jump on in, let's go for a ride. What we'll do is we're gonna go through all the gears. I'm gonna put it in 5th gear and test out the clutch to show that it doesn't slip. This car was it was maintained properly. I mean, I've never seen someone write a book for mileage, and that's what this thing has. Seems like maybe he was a truck driver. Extremely smooth. Let me put it in 5th. No slippage at all. I'm gonna put the window up a little bit so you guys don't hear that wind. Downshift it into 3rd. This is super dangerous what these guys are doing. They don't even have a permit to be here, and they're running a salvage yard out of it. They're putting all these semi trucks, they're blocking traffic. They should totally shut that place down. What we'll do is we'll turn right here and we'll do a 2nd gear roll in because the road's wet. We went to go film this and it started to rain. But listen to that, super healthy. Let's get out of all that sand. Look at the, oh my God, look at the clouds. You ready? Feels really good. Brakes are responsive. You can feel that the pads are gripping as they should. Stopping easy. It's not pulling from left to right. The suspension definitely has been upfitted with something different, so the springs feel much stiffer. In a convertible, normally you're going to feel a lot of sway, and I don't feel it at all. I mean, I feel planted to the road. Pretty cool. Listen to it burble, ready? Oh my gosh. That signature 5.0 sound. If you have any questions about this car, give us a call, 954-363-2261. What I'll do is I'll roll into it here in 1st. We'll see how it feels with this rain. I don't really want to spin the tires. Are you ready? Feels pretty good. Not bad at all.